Ever wonder why sometimes your brain just doesn't seem to cooperate, especially when you need it the most? Perhaps you've experienced brain fog or bouts of unproductivity that leave you feeling frustrated. Well, you are not alone, and there are ways to give your brain the boost it needs. Brain health is a complex subject, but it's essential for our overall well-being and productivity. It's like the command center of your body, directing every function, every thought, and every action. But what happens when that command center isn't functioning at its best? Many of us have experienced brain fog, memory lapses, and a lack of focus at some point. These are signs that our brain, like any other part of our body, needs care and attention. A healthy brain not only contributes to your overall health, but it also boosts your productivity, improves your mood, and even enhances your relationships. Now you might be wondering, so how can one improve their brain health? Well, let's dive into it. The first step towards a healthier brain is a nutritious diet. Let's delve into the wonders of nutrition for brain health. Imagine your brain as an engine that needs high-quality fuel to run efficiently. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish and walnuts, serve as excellent fuel, enhancing brain function and memory. Then we have antioxidants found in berries and dark chocolate, which protect our brain from harmful free radicals. And of course, let's not forget the B vitamins present in leafy greens and whole grains, crucial for brain development and function. So the next time you're at the grocery store, remember these brain-boosting foods. Remember, what you eat can significantly affect your brain health. Moving your body isn't just good for your muscles, it's beneficial for your brain too. Now let's dive deeper into how regular exercise plays a pivotal role in maintaining and improving brain health. When you engage in regular physical activity, you're doing more than just strengthening your heart and toning your muscles. You're also enhancing the blood flow to your brain. This increased circulation carries oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells, helping them to function more efficiently. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise is also a powerful stress reducer. As you work out, your body releases endorphins, commonly known as feel-good hormones. These endorphins help combat stress and anxiety, which can take a toll on your brain health if left unchecked. Moreover, studies have shown that regular exercise can enhance cognitive function, improving memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. It's like a workout for your mind as well as your body. So make sure to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine. Your brain, like any other muscle, needs both exercise and rest. Imagine your brain as a busy city. The hustle and bustle of the day involves learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Activities such as reading, solving puzzles, or picking up a new skill are like the city's daytime activities. They keep the city vibrant and dynamic, stimulating new connections between neurons, the brain's very own city dwellers. However, the city can't function at full throttle all the time. There's a need for quiet, restful periods where the city dwellers can recuperate and rejuvenate. That's where sleep and relaxation come in. Like the quiet of the night, they allow the brain to recover, process the day's experiences, and consolidate memories. So, whether you're a professional juggling multiple tasks or someone seeking a mental boost, remember this. A brain firing on all cylinders during the day needs its peaceful slumber at night. Balancing mental stimulation and rest is key to maintaining a healthy brain. Improving brain health might seem daunting, but it's achievable with some simple lifestyle adjustments. We've delved into the significance of a nutritious diet packed with brain-boosting foods. We've also underlined the importance of regular exercise, keeping our brains active and sharp. Lastly, we've highlighted the need for mental stimulation coupled with adequate rest to maintain optimum brain performance. These steps, when practiced consistently, can greatly enhance your brain health. Remember, a healthy brain leads to a healthier, happier, and more productive life.